Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find older chats in Microsoft Teams using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Teams app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap Chat at the bottom screen. This shows your recent conversation, but older chats might not appear in the list. At the top of the chat screen, tap the search bar. Type the name of the person, group, or keyword from the chat you want to find. Teams will search through all the chats, including older messages. Look through the search results for chat you are looking for and tap it. This will open the conversation showing both recent and older messages. Once the chat is open, scroll down to see older messages. Microsoft Teams load older messages automatically as you scroll, so you can go back as far as needed. If you frequently needed older chats, consider pinning important chats by tapping the three dots next to the chat and selecting pin. This keeps them at the top of your chat list for easy access. And that's it. That's how you find older chats in Microsoft Teams on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.